Hello. Good morning, Standard 9. How are you? Fine. We are taking the next part of Unit 8. Reach for the top. Second part is Maria Sharapova. So let's ready for this. Maria Sharapova Part 2. There is something disarming, means likable about Maria Sharapova. Something at odd with, in conflict with. Odds का मतलब है conflict with. Her ready smile and glamorous attire, and that something in her lifted her on Monday 22 August 2005 to the world number 1 position in women's tennis. All these happened in almost no time. Poised beyond her years, the Siberian-born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle, means the most successful point, top. तो पोइज्ड यानी काम, शांत, एलिगेंट, और ये साइबेरिया में उसका जन्म हुआ था. ये साइबेरिया में बोर्न हुई है, टीनेजर है वो टाइम पे, और उसको खाली 4 साल मिले. 4 साल में ये लड़की पिनेकल यानी द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल पॉइंट पर पहुंच गई, यानी नंबर 1 पर पहुंच गई. However, the rapid means fast, ascent means growth in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before, with a level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure, means suffer patiently. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was packed off to train in the United States. That trip to Florida with her father Yuri launched her on the path of success and stardom. But it is also required a heart-wrenching, means extremely sad 2-year separation from her mother Yelena. वो अपनी माँ से बिछड़ गई थी, उसका भी उसको एक्सट्रीमली दुख हुआ. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restriction. उसको वीज़ा के प्रॉब्लम की वजह से उसकी मम्मी येलेना को वीज़ा नहीं मिला और उसको साइबेरिया में रहना पड़ा. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson in life, that tennis excellence would only come at a price. कि भाई ये तो कुछ भी गंवाने के बाद ही मिलेगा, उसका कीमत चुकाऊंगी तभी मेरे को मिलेगी एक्सीलेंस. I used to be a lonely. Maria Sharapova recalls, I miss my mother terribly. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going, so he couldn't see me either. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. the other tennis pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the rooms and clean it. उसके जो सीनियर विद्यार्थी थे वो उसे वो 8 बजे आके सो जाती तो उसको जगाते और वो 11 बजे आते और सो जाने के बाद भी उसको जगा कर उसके रूम साफ करने का उसको ऑर्डर देते थे. ये जस्ट लाइक अ रैगिंग. इंस्टेड ऑफ लेटिंग दैट डिप्रेस सडन me, I become more quietly determined and mentally tough. उसको ये डिस्ग्रेस होने की जगह पे, डिप्रेस होने की जगह पे उसने क्वाइट डिटरमिन किया और मेंटली वो टफ भी हुई. आई लर्न हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. उसने क्या सीखा? मैं मेरी अपनी किस तरह से उसका ध्यान रखूँ अपना, वो सीखी. I never thought of quitting, means living, because I knew that I was wanted. When you came from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you a very hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insults than that to steadfastly pursue my dream, means pursue money, follow. That toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her begging, means winning the women's single crown at Wimbledon in 2004. And to her meteoric, means very rapid rise to the world number 1 spot the following years. While her journey from the frozen place of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the heart of tennis fans. For youngster herself, here appears to be no room for sentiment. यानी sentiments यानी emotional feeling के लिए कोई जगह नहीं थी. The straight look and the answer she gives when asked about her ambition, means the goal, aim, make it apply plentifully clear that she considered the sacrifice where worth is. I am very, very competitive and hard work at what I do. That's my job. This is her mantra for success. Through Maria Sharapova, speak with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades, means display her Russian nationality, clearing all doubts. She says, I am Russian. It's true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. Like any number of teenage sensation, Maria Sharapova लिस्ट फैशन, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. उसको 3 चीज़ का शौक था. कौन सी? फैशन, फिर सिंगिंग और डांसिंग. एज हर हॉबीज आर देयर. विच आर द हॉबीज she has? Fashion, singing and dancing are 3 hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur कैनन डॉयली, ये जो लेखक थे ये बहुत ही अच्छे लेखक थे और जिसने प्रख्यात शेरलॉक होम्स की कृति बनाई थी। तो आर्थर कैनन डॉयली, उसकी बहुत सी किताबें उसे बहुत ही पसंद थी। हर फॉन्डनेस फॉर सोफिस्टिकेटेड मीन्स के फैशनेबल इवनिंग ग्रोज अपीयर एट द odds with its disagreement. Her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and frizzy aerated orange drinks, ये इसको बहुत ही पसंद था। पैनकेक चॉकलेट के साथ में उसको पसंद था और फ्रीजी भी ऑरेंज ड्रिंक के साथ में। मारिया सारापोवा कैन नॉट बी pigeonholed or categories. Her talent, unweaving, steady, firm desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice her lifted her to the top of the world. Few would gird oppose mind her to reach she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains for tennis. Of course, money is a motivation. Tennis is a business sport, but the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That's the dream head. Keep me going. अभी ये जो लेसन था उसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो अपन ले रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टू विच स्पोर्ट इज मारिया शारापोवा अटैच्ड विथ? तो मारिया शारापोवा इज अटैच्ड टू लॉन टेनिस। Number 2, to which country does she belonging? She belongs to Russia. When did she win the world's number 1 position? She won the world's number 1 position on 22nd August 2005. How many years did she take to reach the top? She took 9 years to reach the top. Name the chapter from this passage has been taken. This chapter has been taken from the chapter Reach for the Top. This passage has been taken from the chapter Reach for the Top. To what sport is Maria Sharapova attached with? She attached with lawn tennis. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what age was she sent to the United States? At the age of 10 years. At what What is the name of her father? The name of her father is Yuri. How long did she stay in Russia, USA? She stayed there for 2 years. What was Maria's native land? Maria's native land is Siberia, which is the part of Russia. Additional very short type question. Which country does Maria Sharapova belongs to? So Maria Sharapova belongs to Russia. With what sport is Maria Sharapova attached to? She attached to lawn tennis. Number 3. What did Sharapova attain the number 1 position for the first time? She attained the number 1 position for the first time on 22 August 2005. Where did Sharapova go for tennis coaching? She went to Florida in the United States. Who went to the Russia with Sharapova? Her father went with her to USA. Number 6. When did Sharapova win the Wimbledon's women's single final? Answer. She won this title in 2004. What does Maria Sharapova love reading? Maria Sharapova loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Short answer. What is something disarming about Maria Sharapova? Maria Sharapova is a girl with a smiling face and glamorous attire, but she is a determined girl who works excessively hard to win the world number 1 position in women. What did Sharapova leave Siberia for the USA? At the age of 9 years, Maria Sharapova left Siberia to Florida in the USA. She went there to attend a training camp for women tennis. She undertook hard training for 2 years. Her father, Yuri, also went with her. Question number 3. At the age of 9 years, what lesson had Sharapova learned? So, in the USA, Maria Sharapova had to face a heart-wrenching 2 years separation from her mother. This separation made her learn an important lesson that tennis excellence would only come at a price. How was Sharapova treated by the seniors in the training camp? Maria Sharapova was just nearly 10 years the senior in the training camp treated her badly. They took her up. They asked Maria to tidy up the room and clean it. What does Maria Sharapova say about her Russian nationality? Maria Sharapova speaks with the pronouns American can accident. She proudly parades her Russian nationality, clearing all doubts, and she tells her blood's totally Russian. Tells her blood is totally Russian. She is a Russian citizen. Maria Sharapova speaks with her pounds American accent proudly parades of her Russian nationality, clearing all doubts. She tells her blood's totally Russian. She is a Russian citizen. She will be play for Russia. So these are the question answer already we take. Kindly write down, this is your homework too in your notebook, okay?